Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my Jamaican green seasoning. So if you're unsure of how to make yours, then don't move a muscle, keep on watching. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients you're going to need for your green seasoning. Here we have some garlic, scotch bonnet peppers, parsley, celery, escalation, thyme, onion, sweet pepper, and half a lime, some pimento, or you could call them allspice greens or allspice berries, and I'm going to use half a cup of olive oil. All right, so let's add these to our ninja and get this seasoning going. All right guys, so here's my ninja. It's kind of wet because I was just blending something else in it. Just gonna put in my onions. You could just throw everything in, no particular order. All right, should have cut them up a little smaller, but everything will incorporate when I start the blender. Throw in the garlic. Oops. These you could just push down to the side. The peppers. Just throw everything in, guys. Don't matter the order. Everything is gonna be mixed up. All right. Now I'm just gonna add the lime, guys. I'm gonna use this. So I'm just gonna add the lime. Like so. Just squeeze it in. My Amazon storefront will be in the description, guys, so you could purchase this. You could purchase the ninja also, and even this plate. So please to check that out. So now I'm going to add the olive oil. And time to blend, guys. Ready to blend. All right guys, so my ninja is packed with all this goodness and we are ready to blend. Just gonna put the cover on. Like so. Now we're gonna blend this at the second speed, okay? After a few minutes, like about 2 minutes, you could check it and see if it's the consistency that you want. And I like mine chunky, so this is fine. It would be greener if you used more parsley, but I didn't have a lot of parsley today, so I used what I had. But for the color to be greener, you have to pack this with like a lot of parsley. But this is fine. It's still green seasoning and does the trick just the same. So here you have it, guys. Nice chunky green seasoning. Ooh, look at that. Amazing. Packed with flavor. Listen, this is the key ingredients to any dish. I promise you. Once again, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll definitely see you in my next upload. Bye.